a breath. So she blew it from the straw, but I'm going to teach you another way. So when you take a breath, the lungs I can see are filling with air, and when you exhale, the lungs are back in this place. So it basically creates a vacuum which help the balloons to fill with air. And there's one thing common. This is the windpipe, and this is the windpipe in 9 as well. It is used. Finally, my project I have to test.
The organs that have oxygen and get carbon dioxide makes up a respiration. Respiration basically happens with the respiration that happens inside our body, known as aerobic respiration. But respiration necessitates energy from the body. Aerobic respiration also uses oxygen, so it's very helpful to remove waste from our body.
So this is our project. I am Fatma Kaivan from grade 4 Mercury, and I am Alina from grade 4 Mercury, and this is our project about solar system. It has 8 planets.
Does it move? Wonderful.
And this is my partner. My name is Ab. So we made these 3 projects. This is a windmill. When the windmill move like this, the electricity go in homes, and then in homes the light shines. And this is us. Assalamualaikum. My name is Manha Manullah. I'm from grade 2 Mercury, and I made our solar system. It has a sun. It has all of the planets that we have in our solar system, and the Earth is one of my favorite because it's the beautiful planet.
Excellent.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. This is my project about forest habitat. Forest habitat is a place where wild animals live, and we cannot put them in the home.
What exactly is a volcano? Deep inside the earth there is a layer called magma. When tectonic plates bump into each other, there is a weak spot formed inside them. The magma sneaks up from there, and that is called lava. When the lava comes, there is ash cloud formed up from it. The magma which comes from the slopes is called the secondary vent.
And today we're going to be presenting about our science project for the science fair, and our project is called Black Holes. Over here we have our model of black holes, and over here we have our information chart. First, the part around the black hole, the silver, the red, and the yellow part, that represents the accretion disk. The accretion disk is basically a swirling circle of gas and debris which orbits around any cosmic object like a black hole or a star. The part in the middle, it's called the event horizon, and the event horizon is around from which nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational pull. The gravitational pull is that strong. So a black hole is basically a black circle in space with around it, and wherever goes to the black hole, it cannot escape, not even light. When a person goes into a black hole, they experience a phenomenon called spaghetti accretion. Spaghetti accretion is basically they are going to feel being stretched, and it's going to be really painful process. They're also going to feel time.
What is happening?
The traffic lights are going.
Wow.
And the water is actually warmer than the actual. Even if there's
this. So it can be used in places where they have higher flooding chances and can prevent coastal disasters.
Very good.
And lives of people can be saved. So as you can see here, this is our topic, energy transfer. Energy was discovered by Thomas Young in 1807. And here's another example of energy transfer, like wind, which moves the windmill, which generates electricity and which lights the bulb. So here we cannot unfortunately move the card. So this is the respiration system, and it starts with the nostrils in our nose. This is the larynx. It's basically the voice box, and it's what produces the sound. It also helps the air to pass through inside of the trachea. The trachea is a hard tube-like structure, and it's not flexible so that it doesn't collapse while breathing. This is the bronchi. Bronchi is separated into two parts so that it can give air input to the lungs left and right. Today I will present a life cycle of a butterfly. First, a butterfly lay eggs, then it hatched, then a larva came out. Some months later, a pupa came out. Then a beautiful butterfly came out. Recycling goes for 20 years. The important part of our body. Without lungs, we cannot breathe and we can't survive. Now, he will tell you the location and the main function. The lungs are located on each side of our heart and inside our chest. And cavity above the diaphragm. The main function is that lungs help us to breathe.
Very interesting.
This is a project about solar eclipse and the eclipse. The solar eclipse is when the sun, the moon comes in between of the sun and the earth. And lunar eclipse are when the earth is in the middle of the sun.
Nice.
Yes. Excellent. Well done.
And I'm from grade 7 Mercury. Today I'm going to be presenting you a heart working model. So as you all know that heart has 4 chambers: left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Now as you can see on this diagram, I have shown red blood and blue blood. The red blood is showing the oxygenated one and the blue one is showing the deoxygenated blood. The lungs are basically, this red blood is going through the left atrium. The lungs, first the oxygenated blood enters the left atrium and then enters the left ventricle through the valves, and then the left ventricle pumps the blood throughout our body, and then it pumps brilliant. Very nice.
That will mean our heart when I turn this turbine, the light starts lighting. See? It produces electricity because there's a generator in here.
Very nice. I love the bench.
There is a generator in here and I have connected it to wires to the light bulb.
They're all working projects. I think this is awesome. Very, very. These also work. All of them. It's a lot of effort. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Aida Adil and I'm from grade 5 Mercury.
My name is Mama Adil.
And my name is Aliha Fatima. So first of all, we have made a solar system. So this is the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth. This is Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. And so this is the asteroid belt. These are asteroids.
This is the asteroid belt. These are the rocks. See, these are space debris.
And do you know how the moon made? So there was a rock that crashed to the earth, and that's how the moon was made. So, now would you like to see the gravity fan?
I would love to. Stephen W. Hawking in the making.
As the weight falls, it pulls the string, it moves the motor, and the fan works.
It pulls the fan like
the weight will move.
here. It pulls the string, which moves the motor, and it moves the fan.
That's so nice.
This is the vertical law. So as you all know, the water is a conductor of electricity. So when these boats are in the water, the circuit is complete and the alarm goes off.
Oh wow, interesting. Very, very nice.
My name is Aisha and my friends here is Kazer. Today we are going to show you a project. My name is Kazer and I'm going to show you how we made the project. This is the left ramp and this is the right ramp. This is the trachea and the windpipe. Now how the air comes, we breathe from our nose which goes from the windpipe to our lungs and it gets sucked. The air gets sucked into our lungs which makes the oxygen go in the blood.
Very good. Excellent.
Renewable energy. So this is wind. There are three main resources. This is a renewable energy, wind, tidal, and solar. So all of these produce electricity to these houses, and these light poles are attracting the sunlight and converting it to electricity. And I would like to tell you some disadvantages and advantages of using these resources. So these resources don't emit CO2. And they're limitless. They keep naturally replenishing themselves. Some disadvantages are that they're not found everywhere. Like the sun is not everywhere. In some parts of the world, there is no sun, and they're randomly obtained. There is not much rainfall, and you can't predict when it happens. So
Very good. Very impressive, mashallah. Excellent.
Show you my project. My project is about food chain. Food chain is the sequence of organisms through which energy transfers from one to another. It also helps us in balancing the ecosystem. And the sun is the main source of the food chain. The producer is always a plant because a plant can make its.
my topic is going to show force. I have to tell some lines to get this force. Like that will the things
what it does.
When you throw the ball, it comes in the and populism material.
That's such a scary and interesting topic at the same time. Yes, yes.
That is why I have added this so that it becomes unstable. So when it becomes unstable, the motor becomes faster and the earthquake is more rapid. So let's talk about earthquakes. So earthquakes happen in a tectonic place where it transfers. But once it goes through those boundaries and touch each other, they start like pushing each other backwards. Like in a fight,
That's an excellent way to explain to me. Now I understand it better.
So what happens is the reason is sometimes shock waves come. Sometimes shock waves are more stronger than the actual earthquake because when you hit it back, it comes back and it's harder. Because like the momentum is different. So when